you know, I took a little time off and now it's game time.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she keep the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she keep the swag too.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally,
It's a tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. It's actually been a long time since I've come here, since I've done a video or anything. You know, I took a little time off and now it's game time. So today, you guys, we have a video sponsored by Megalook hair. Today I'm reviewing a pre-styled unit. Yes, this unit comes pre-curled with pre-cut lace. There's so much going on with this unit, so we definitely have to talk about it. I am first off in love with this color on me. I think this complements me very well. Like, it's just like, it's almost as if it was made for me. And I love units like this, especially for girls who want to like dibble in the blondes without going like full on like 613 blonde, or maybe you don't want to do something that some colors can be a little bit intimidating. You're not sure like how they're gonna look on you, but something like this is just perfect. And not only does it look beautiful curled, but if you wanted to later on flat iron this hair out, it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. And the only thing that I had to do today was just frame the curls in the very front of my face. That's how we get these cute little waterfall little pieces here, you know what I'm saying? And that was pretty much it. Now, one thing that I'm really loving about this unit is the lace. Now, the lace melted so good on this unit. And to install my unit today, I did use some Got to Be Glued, and then I also used this lace melting spray. This is also by Megalook, coincidentally. But yeah, so I used these two products to adhere this unit, and also the unit just, it already had like really good lace. So although I did use products today for this install, you definitely can do a glueless install if it just like fits better on you. But for me, I have like a very small head. Like, my head is not like the average small. Like, my head is like really tiny, and I also just don't have like really thick full hair. So my units, I need them to be like super tight. So for me, I typically have to use some kind of product when I do glueless, when I wear like glueless units. But this is a glue, but you can wear this unit completely glueless. You don't have to use the products that I mentioned. It just depends on the fit and your personal preference. For me, I like to have that extra security with my units, and I also like how units melt better when you do have some kind of lace melting spray or some kind of like Got to Be Glued something, you know. That's just me personally. I feel like, you know, my unit looks really good and flawless. Okay, it has a very natural hairline, which I am loving. This unit did come with pre-cut lace. It had the scallop edges, and you guys know typically I cut that off, but I left it on today and I'm actually not mad at it. It looks really good. It's just like melted like butter. And then I did put some concealer in my part just to like lighten it up a little bit. You guys know, especially because I did use a bronzer today, like for the actual lace, to get it to melt more, and I didn't want the bronzer to be too dark as far as a part, because typically your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your face. So like your natural scalp is always going to be lighter than the rest of your face, so that's why I added that there. Speaking of the part, this is a 13x6 unit, okay? They call this the 13x6 ProAngle Frontal, and the reason why they call it the ProAngle Frontal is because of the edges here. So if you guys notice, the edges on this unit were like in a point, like a V. It's like this instead of like your typical units that just kind of go straight out and just have a bunch of extra lace. This unit had like a V shape at the very edges, and it went perfectly around the ear, so you don't have to worry about like cutting it. You guys saw like I did not cut this at all. This is just like how the lace is. So they have like a special arc design for the ear, so it goes perfectly around your ear. It's comfortable. You don't have to worry about like cutting around the ear, because you guys know typically with my units I always cut around the ear section, but I didn't have to do that with this unit. So that was another thing that just makes it so easy to install, and you don't have to worry about it being uncomfortable or any itchy lace touching your ear. Everything just like goes perfectly around the ear because of the V-shape design that they have going on at the very edges. This unit also has the adjustable drawstring in the very back. I didn't see that elastic band that I have. A lot of you know, like a lot of units these days, they have like that elastic band that like hooks in, or you can like take it out. I'm not always the biggest fan of those because they can be uncomfortable, the little metal pieces in it. Sometimes it slips out, sometimes it's just not as secure as I would want it to be, and it does get uncomfortable. But I love the fact that this unit didn't have that, but it did have the adjustable pull strap, the drawstring in the very back of the unit that you can just pull it and you adjust it to your liking and then just tuck it underneath your unit. It also has a comb in the unit as well. It has multiple combs, you can like hook the combs in throughout your unit as well. But the fit of this is perfect, and that's what gives us the glueless type of look. If you wanted to do that, that's what's going to give you that option. But I do like the drawstring in the unit better because it's a lot more comfortable, and it's also more comfortable than those crisp, you know, like the straps that they have in the very base sometimes too, that you like hook into like those little holes in the back. It's usually right above the comb that's at the base of the unit. Those sometimes can be uncomfortable as well. Sometimes they break, sometimes they pop off, and I typically always have to crisscross those straps, and I still feel like when I do that, it like gives the unit like a little bubble in the very back, like at the very base. So with this unit, with the drawstring, it gets everything nice and snug. Everything is a consistent pull all the way around the back, and it's also a lot more comfortable to wear and just really easy to adjust with the unit on, or you can do it before you put it on. But as you guys saw, this unit was just really easy to install. It's a perfect beginner friendly unit because everything is done for you. It's styled for you already. It has pre-cut lace. The lace melts perfectly. You have the drawstring in the back, so this is one of those units that you can literally just put on and you're good to go. You can do slight adjustments like I did, like with, you know, curling the front pieces here, but even that is optional. You don't have to do it. It's all about your personal preference and how you choose to style your units, but they definitely cover all the bases for you, so it's just a very easy unit to install. And if you're someone who just doesn't know how to do your hair, you're tired of spending hundreds of dollars at a hair salon, because when you go get your hair done, you have to like pay extra sometimes to get your hair washed and blow dry, which should come with your service, but they usually make you pay extra. You have to pay for the hair, you have to sit in the salon, you have to wait for your stylist to be ready. Sometimes they're running behind, sometimes they're late, they're not even there, sometimes they cancel on you. When you're dealing with a hairstylist, sometimes it could just be a lot. And I'm not saying to, you know, completely ditch your stylist, but something like this you can definitely wear in between those appointments, okay? So if you don't have time to be waiting for her, she's talking about she got stuff to do this week, she's all booked up, something like this is perfect for the girls who don't know how to do their hair, or even if you do know how to do your hair, it's just I just feel like it's just a perfect unit to have in your collection. I believe in having a collection of units. You need to have different colors, different styles. And speaking of the color, this color is so beautiful, you guys. This is a brown to honey blonde ombre unit, honey gold like at the very bottoms, and then at the top there is highlights in here. It's like highlights and lowlights with the brown, and then it goes into this beautiful color here. I love the way that they colored this unit. It is just so flawless and perfect. Absolutely love it. and I like the fact that it just looks really smooth. I did put some bio silk on my hands and just rubbed it at the top of the unit. You can do it at the base of the hair too. You can add the oil to the bottom of it, but sometimes I don't always like to do that because you don't want your hair to be like too greasy. So I just put like a little bit in the palm of my hands, rub it in, and then put it up top, and that's what just gives us like an even more like beautiful shine. There's not like a ton of flyaways everywhere. It just looks so good. I love how this unit turned out, okay? And this is a 24-inch. I know like right now because it's curled, it doesn't seem like that, but if I was to pull, let me pull something from the very back. So from the back, you guys can see, I'll stand up for you guys. So this is how long it goes. There's like a little extra piece there. But yeah, so it looks a little bit shorter than what it actually is, but this is a 24-inch, okay? But with the curl, and you see how that curl just goes right back. The other thing that I like about these pre-styled units is that the curls actually last. Like the curls that I like put in the front or do my own curls, those typically fall, but the curls that they add to the units, I don't know how they do it, but these actually last a really long time. So that's the other great thing. You don't have to worry about your curls falling throughout the day. It's gonna stay like this all day for several days at that, okay? So we love that. But all in all, I love this unit from Megalook. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop a comment down below and I get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Megalook Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will talk to you, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.